But the TripWire funnel, it's a psychological funnel. They're all psychological funnels, but to me, the TripWire is the most fun. And that's because the whole idea is to kind of trip them into purchasing something from you. And here's how the TripWire goes. The first page is usually an opt-in page. And that's where people, the traffic comes in, and you can either give them a lead magnet or just do a squeeze page where you're getting their name and their email, however you want to do it. But then they go to the next page, which is a TripWire offer. And typically the TripWire offer is something that is an irresistible offer. The price is so low and the value so high that when they look at it, they're like, oh my gosh, I got to get my credit card out for that one. That's ridiculous, right? So you're tripping them into pulling out that credit card to buy that very inexpensive, maybe ebook for $2.95, or a series of 3 training videos for $1.95. Something that didn't take you months to prepare, but it still got really good value in it. So they're going to whip out that credit card and they're going to buy. Then once they hit the TripWire funnel or TripWire offer and they buy it, they've got that credit card out. The next step is to send them to your core offer. And that core offer is the one where you're really going to hit them with the price where you're going to make money. And that core offer might be coaching or advanced training or something that's going to be where your money offer is, right? So the TripWire gets them breaking out that credit card, and then the core offer gets them spending maybe more money than they probably would have otherwise, but gosh, they already had the credit card out. And then of course you're offering good value with that core offer.